Hello, class. This is Miss Mooney, and today we're going to talk about publishing your final piece for your opinion writing. So, look at all we've accomplished. We've learned what opinion writing is, we've brainstormed topics and ideas, we've written strong opinions, we've supported our opinions with reasons and examples, we've written our rough draft, and we've edited and revised our rough draft. So now we are going to discuss the steps you need to take to publish your final piece. So first, you're going to decide whether you want to type your final paper or write your final paper. You can either type your final paper on the computer or write your final paper on pieces of paper. So if you would like to write your final piece, you must retype your final piece to include your revisions. You will then include photos of your writing in the Google document. And I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do that. And then if you would like to type your rough draft, make sure to copy down your rough draft, including your revisions. So if you would like to write your rough draft, you will write your final draft on a piece of notebook paper, and just like this, but this one has the revisions, and then you will take the photo and you will put it into the Google document. If you would like to type your final draft, I will show you how to copy that down now. All right, so as you can see, I have a picture of my rough draft here, and you would have this out on your desk. And then you would go into the Google document that's going to be attached to Google Classroom, and you'll begin. I'm going to write Miss Mooney's final piece. And then I'm going to start writing my paper. I'm copying it exactly from my rough draft, except I'm making sure that I'm including my revisions. As you can see right here, I included a revision. So I'm going to make sure that I put that into my final piece. The smell of pine and grass. This is a detail describing what I love about going camping. So I'm making sure to include that detail. As you can see, I'm writing it exactly how I wrote it in my rough draft, but I'm including my revisions. So your excitement builds as you search for the perfect place to set up your tent. And I like to read what I'm writing to myself, so I am making sure I'm writing what I want to write. It just helps me keep track of where I am, especially when you're copying it down from another source from your notebook. It just helps me keep my place. So that is how you would copy down your final piece onto the Google Doc. So make sure your independent work is to either type or write your final piece. You can either type or attach a picture. If you choose to write your final piece, you will be attaching pictures of your written work into the Google Doc. And then if you want to, another thing that you're going to do is read and share your final piece with a family member. And just to review, I'll show you how you can attach a photo into the Google Doc. All right, and if you would like to attach a photo into the Google Doc, of your written rough draft, you may go to Insert, Image, Upload from your computer. So you're going to choose Insert, Image, Upload from your computer. I have mine on my desktop. And then you're going to open this into the Google Doc. So let's review your steps. So just one more time, remember, either type or write your final piece, either type or attach a picture like I just showed you into the Google document, and then read and share your final piece with a family member.